Today I will be using the book Can Tug and Tap from the Piney Pals series. If you don't have this book, that's okay. Remember, you can use any decodable book that focuses on short vowel A. I will be saying 3 words. I want you to listen very carefully with your ears, and I want you to tell me what sound you hear alike in each one of these words. I will say the word, you will echo the word. Okay, let's get started. Tad, tap, can. What sound did you hear alike in each one of these words? That's right. You heard the ah sound. Let's grab our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make this sound. I want you to get your mirror and hold it up to your mouth, and I want you to say, ah. What is your mouth doing? You're right, your mouth is kind of smiling, and it's open. Now I want you to put your hand on your throat, and I want you to feel if there's some type of a vibration when you make the sound. Let's do it together. Ah. Did you feel that? So did I. That means that ah is a voice sound. So we know that our mouth is smiling, that our mouth is open, and that it's a voiced sound. Let's go ahead and put our mirrors down. I'm going to write 3 words on the board. I want you to look really closely, and I want you to tell me what letter you see alike in each one of these words. T, A, D, T, A, P, C, A, N. What letter do you see alike in each one of these words? That's right. You see the letter A. But what do you see right after the letter A? Consonant D, consonant P, and a consonant N. When you see A and a consonant right after it, that means that the A is going to say ah. So today, we are going to focus on short vowel A. Let's read each of these words. Tad, tap, can. When you read the book, Tad Can Tug and Tap, you're going to get a lot of opportunities to see the short vowel A. And we know that that sound is ah. When we make that sound, our mouth is open, we're smiling, and it's a voice sound. Thank you so much for joining me today, and remember, you've got this.